Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 bicycle repair tools box. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As the item number 3, we've selected Bike Hand Bicycle Repair Multi-Tool Set. Specifications: Type, Toolkits. Model, YC799. Tools, 20-in-1 Bicycle Toolkit. Use for, bike maintenance and repair. Application, universal for most bikes, mountain road. Features, premium quality, hard case, multi-tools. The item number 2 is Bike Hand Multifunctional Bicycle Repair Tool. Specifications: Type, Toolkits. Model, YC721. W, 2.55 kilograms. Function, Bike Tools Boxes Repair Tools. Size, 31 by 24 by 7 mm. Bicycle Multifunction Tools, Whole Bike Tool Set. Bike Multi-Tool Repair Tool Set. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Pro Bicycle Repair Tools Box. Specifications: Origin, TW Origin. Type, Multifunction Tools. Model, CTK01. Weight, 2.9 kilograms, approx. Material, premium alloy steel. Package size, 315 mm, 250 mm, 80 mm. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.